Hey everyone.
Welcome back to my channel. Did you know you can turn your creativity into $10,000 a month or more on Etsy? Whether you're into crafting, digital art, or print on demand. Today's video will show you exactly how to start and scale a profitable Etsy shop in 2025. Grab a notebook, let's get started. Why Etsy in 2025? First, why Etsy? With over 95 million active buyers, Etsy is a goldmine for sellers. In 2025, niches like digital products, custom gifts, and eco-friendly goods are exploding. Plus, Etsy's SEO-friendly platform makes it easier than ever to reach your audience. Let's break down the steps to succeed. Find your profitable niche. Step 1. Find your niche. Use tools like eRank or Etsy Hunt to spy on trending products. For example, digital planners, printable wall art, and personalized jewelry are huge in 2025. Pro tip: combine passion with profit. If you love gardening, sell seed bundles or plant care guides. Create your Etsy shop. Set up your shop. Choose a memorable name, write a keyword-rich bio, and optimize your shop policies. Don't skip the About section. Buyers love knowing the story behind your brand. Use keywords like handmade, custom, or digital download to boost SEO. Design low-cost products. Step 3. Design products. If you're on a budget, start with digital products like Canva templates, SVG files, or ebooks. Use free tools like Canva or GIMP to create pro-level designs. For physical products, try print on demand with suppliers like Printful. No inventory needed. Master Etsy SEO. Step 4. Crush Etsy SEO. Your title, tags, and descriptions need keywords buyers are searching for. For example, instead of birthday card, use custom watercolor birthday card, digital download, instant printable. Tools like Marmalade or eRank can help you find high traffic keywords. Price for profit. Step 5. Price strategically. For digital products, aim for 500,800% profit margins. For physical items, factor in Etsy's fees, 5% transaction fee plus 6.5% payment fee, and shipping. Offer bundles, like 3 digital planners for $20, to increase order value. Launch and promote. Step 6. Launch with a bang. Use Etsy ads sparingly, 1-1-5 per day, and promote on Pinterest, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. Share behind-the-scenes content like a day in my Etsy shop to build trust. Collaborate with micro-influencers for cheap promo. Scale to $10,000 per month. Step 7. Scale your shop. Reinvest profits into new products, hire a virtual assistant for customer service, or run seasonal sales. Top sellers use email marketing, with tools like Klaviyo, to turn one-time buyers into repeat customers. Bonus tip: avoid these mistakes, ignoring SEO, underpricing products, using blurry photos, invest in good lighting. Not tracking analytics. Check your Etsy stats weekly to see what's working. And there you have it, your step-by-step blueprint to making $10,000 per month on Etsy in 2025. Whether you're selling digital art or handmade candles, consistency is key. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Etsy hacks. Let me know in the comments, what's your Etsy niche? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.